Welcome to my next video. So this will be the smart tripod video 12 out of 31. Welcome back everybody. Today's date is the 25th of February 2026. So just remember that if you're watching this video, always look for the most updated video because things change quickly. So let's go and have a look at my favorite project. Let's go and have a look at Apertum. Today, the price is sitting at 33 cents. What a bargain, right? All I can say is accumulate as many of these coins as you can. Yes, put it in your high risk portfolio and don't invest money you cannot afford to lose. But saying that, let's go look at all the positives about Apertum. So Apertum at the moment, well, we got a max supply of 2.1 billion. But the good thing is we've got something called a burning model, right? Meaning that when there's transactions in the blockchain, in the Apertum blockchain, a portion of the coins are burned, right? So here is the Explorer, Apertum Explorer. Here you can see there's blocks getting created almost every second. You can see today's daily transactions is 38,000. You can see we've had total transactions of over 9 million. So you can see the power in transparency, number one, especially for developers. If you're looking for a blockchain that's got speed, because we're also a tier one subnet of the Avalanche blockchain, we're fast, we're super cheap, and we're transparent, right? Because all the transactions of your project will be displayed in the Apertum Explorer. So let's go back. Here you can also see we've got our socials here, website, white paper, so you can get some more details on that side. And also we've got our own DApp that sits on the Apertum blockchain called DYOR, which is a decentralized autonomous organization. And I'll go through that because we've got some products and services that you can purchase through the DYOR application, which is decentralized, meaning it's all run by smart contracts, which is code. There's no person that owns it. It's community driven. So you can also come down here and get more details. We're on 9 exchanges as well. Here's a super cool audit that we had by Certec, confirming that it is decentralized. And yeah, you got some more details about a layer 1 blockchain on the Avalanche ecosystem, high performance, scalability, long-term sustainability, and also EVM compatible for developers, right? And yeah, you can see the speed, over 4,500 transactions. And we've actually got over 60,000 on-chain members now that are part of the DAO1 DApp. So let's go hop onto the DApp. So here we go. This is the DAO1, decentralized autonomous organization. Yeah, we've got some products and services that you can buy. Everything is transparent on the blockchain. So when you get one of our smart trading bots, they do start at $200 and they go all the way up to 70,000 depending on your cash flow. You can buy multiples of these trade bots, but for this example, let's go and have a look at the $1,000 Photon. I'm going to click more info, and here it gives you some more details. Yes, the product does cost $1,000, and then you do have to load $1,000 that will get traded on the Apertum coin. So all it's really effectively doing, if we come and have a look here at the chart, all it's doing is when it goes low, it's buying. When it goes high, it's selling. You don't have to be an expert. You don't have to be a trading expert. You don't have to be a blockchain expert. Let the AI technology work for you. And the cool thing about this product is it does have a target performance of 360%. So 360% of 1,000 would be 3,600. It does have a contract term of 12 months. It can trade more than 360% in the first 12 months. If it doesn't reach the target of 360% in the first 12 months, it will keep trading until it does reach the target performance of 360%, which equals the 3,600. But remember, you do get the $1,000 back at the end of the contract. So this is a great product. It's averaging at the moment around about 5%, obviously market conditions. So grab yourself one of our smart trading bots easily. All you need to do is create a DAO1 account. Down below in the description of this video, you will see a link where you can watch a 9-minute video. And there you've also got steps how you can create your own DYOR account. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to head over. I'm going to actually show a video of more information on the Apertum blockchain, just to give you some more clarity on how powerful this project is. So here we go. I'm going to head over, enjoy the video, and we'll see you tomorrow.
Let me ask you something. How did Ethereum become a giant? How did Solana explode? How did Avalanche build a serious ecosystem? It wasn't just technology. It was trust, traction, and a community that was strong enough to turn an idea into an ecosystem. And today, I want to introduce you to a blockchain that is quietly building exactly that. Apertum. The crypto industry is full of promises. Every week, there is a new revolutionary chain. But most of them die for the same reasons. No real adoption, no transparency, no security, no distribution, and no community that actually moves. They have hype, but no proof. And in Web3, hype doesn't survive. Only ecosystems survive. Apertum is a next-generation Layer 1 blockchain built as an Avalanche subnet, EVM compatible, meaning fast, scalable, and built for real-world applications. But here's the important part. Apertum is not trying to become just another chain. It is being built as an ecosystem foundation for DeFi, AI, smart applications, and community-driven adoption. Here's where Apertum separates itself from 99% of the market, because trust is not built through talk. Trust is built through results. Within its first year, Apertum achieved over 8.6 million on-chain transactions, over 380,000 active wallets listed on 8 major exchanges, and a full CertiK audit with 0 vulnerabilities. That is not normal growth. That is what momentum looks like. And momentum is what creates giants. Here's what most people don't understand. The biggest wealth opportunities are not created when something is already mainstream. They are created when something has already proven itself, but the world hasn't fully noticed yet. That's exactly the phase Apertum is in right now. The foundation is built. The traction is real, the credibility is there, and now it enters the next phase, expansion. Now let me explain why many people believe Apertum can become a top 5 blockchain within the next 5 years. Not because of hype, but because of structure. Apertum was designed differently. No ICO, no premine, meaning it wasn't created for insiders to dump on the market. 10+ independent validators already. Decentralization is real and expanding. Bitcoin-style halving plus buy and burn tokenomics. Scarcity is built into the system. 100% on-chain infrastructure. No hidden admin panel. No backdoor control. Dual wallet access. Web 2 simplicity plus Web 3 power. So beginners and professionals can both enter the ecosystem. And even more important, Apertum is being built to use cross-chain intelligence without bridging funds. Meaning you get access to external chain data without the typical bridge risk. That's not marketing, that's architecture. That's a real moat. Now here's where it gets exciting. The future of crypto will not be just DeFi. The future is DeFi plus AI. Imagine AI models that help people manage risk automatically, find the best yield opportunities, make smarter trading decisions, execute strategies with one click, and even build financial systems without being technical. That's the direction Apertum is moving into. Not for a small group of experts, but for everyone, because mass adoption doesn't come from complexity. It comes from simplicity powered by intelligence. And now we come to the most powerful part. The reason why Apertum is not just a blockchain. DYOR is an active recommending community. And here's the truth. The biggest ecosystems don't win because they have the best technology. They win because they have the strongest distribution. DYOR is distribution. DYOR is momentum. DYOR is people who don't just hold a token, but actively build the ecosystem by recommending, onboarding, educating, and growing the network. This is what made Ethereum unstoppable, made Solana explode. This is what made BNB massive. But DYOR is doing it in a structured, community-driven way from day one. So if you're watching this and you're thinking, is this real? Here is the answer. Apertum has already delivered measurable adoption. It has already delivered security proof. It has already delivered exchange listings. It has already delivered one of the strongest first-year milestones in the market. And now, it's moving into the next stage of ecosystem depth. This is not a promise. This is a trajectory. So here's my invitation. If you want to be part of something early, but not something risky and unproven, then take a closer look at Apertum. And if you want to be part of the engine that drives adoption, join DYOR. Because in the next few years, the biggest rewards won't go to the people who watched. They will go to the people who participated. Welcome to Apertum. Welcome to DYOR.
There you go. So welcome to Apertum and welcome to DYOR 1, and we'll see you on the next video tomorrow. Thank you so much, and bye-bye.